So, let's do x plus y to the 5th. So go ahead and pause and do it, and then check your answer. And so now you just clicked play, and the answer is x to the 5th plus 5x to the 4th y plus 10x cubed y squared plus 10x squared y cubed plus 5xy to the 4th plus, I'm going to get rid of this now, plus 1y to the 5th. So you should notice a pattern here. If you notice, so even though this says x and y, this is really just our A and this is just our B. So, one sec. So then, okay, if you look at the A value, which is just the x's, what do you notice about the exponents? It goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then it's still here. You might not see it, but it's just to the 0 power, so it's just 1, so you really don't need it there. So the the A's exponent decrease. Okay, then you look at the B, which is the y. Okay, so obviously it's not here, but it is here because it's just to the 0 power, which is 1, so you really don't need it. And then, okay, so then you go to the 1st power, then the 2nd power, then the 3rd power, then the 4th power, and finally the 5th power. So the B's exponents, when I said B's, I remembered the B's knees or whatever you told us about, but yeah. Okay, B's exponents increase. Okay, so why is that important? Because okay, I got it. Okay, so now if I was to say to do x minus 3 to the 4th, most people, we would just go back and plug it into what we did earlier in the notes before, where we had a plus b to the 4th, except we would substitute these two, but that's not what you're supposed to do. So first you would determine that it's the 4th level of Pascal's triangle. So your coefficients are going to be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Am I filming this? Yeah. Oh, you couldn't see some of it. Okay. Anyways. So then you have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So now you're going to write this out. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. Now you put in your parentheses. Okay, this is your A. This is your A. This is your A. This is your A, and this is your A. Okay, so the A's exponents, we know they're going to decrease. So since it's the 4th level, we're going to start off with 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. So you don't even need this. And then you fill in your A. So your A in this is x. so x to the fourth, x to the third, x squared, and x. Then you fill in your y's. So y, 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 and y. And we know that not your y's, I'm sorry, b's, b, 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 and b. And we know that our b's exponents increase. So we start off, and we know that we have to get to 4, so you start off with 0, which means you really don't need this because it's just 1. So 0 was here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then our y here is negative 3. So negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, negative 3. Now you simplify. So 1 times x to the fourth is just x to the fourth. So 4 times x cubed times negative 3 to the first power. Negative 3 to the first power is just negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. So that's negative 12, and then x to the third is just x to the third. So negative 12 x third, so x to the fourth minus 12x cubed. Then you have negative 3 squared, and negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, times 6 is 54, so 54x squared. So plus 54x squared. And then you have x to the, negative 3 cubed. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, times negative 3 is negative 27. Then negative 27 times 4, I think it's 81, but I'll check. Oh, it's not 81. I don't know where I came up with that. 27 times 4 is 108, but can't forget the negative. So it's minus 108 to the fourth x. So minus 108 x plus, and then negative 3 to the fourth, that's 81. That's where I got that 81 from. Okay, so then you just have that. So then your final answer is x to the fourth minus 12x cubed plus 54x squared minus 108x plus 81. Wow, that was supposed to be a box, but didn't work. Okay, so now we're almost done. There's one more thing we learned. Okay. So do you have all this? If you have any questions, just like contact me. Okay, so the last thing we learned was, so I'll give you a problem. Find the coefficient of the x squared y cubed term in x plus y to the fifth. Can you still see this? Wow, you can't even see this. That's stupid. Dude, you can like barely see it. What the heck? Okay, whatever. I am so tired. Like, I'm sorry. That's why this is like crappy, because I'm really tired. But okay. How do you do this?